In this video, I will show you how to add custom branding in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Upload your video and go to the Brand Kit section in the left column. Then click and open it. You will be taken to a brand template design. You can either use a template or skip this option. Once you are in the Brand Kit section, towards the left you will see Settings. You can choose Clip Layout Settings. You can then change the dimensions of your video from landscape to portrait, along with other settings. To add your logo, under Brand you will see Overlay, and in brackets it will say Logo, CTA. You'll click that, and once it opens you will then search for your logo and upload it. You can also change caption settings, fonts, add effects. So once your overlay or logo has been uploaded, you can simply click it and it will appear on your video. You can then click your logo and drag it to your desired location and make it bigger or smaller according to your preferences. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.